Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I have a beautiful selection of some Amethyst Spirit Quartz. As you can see, some of them have some hematite or iron staining on them, but really great crystals, really pretty purple, nice and sparkly, great pieces, all from South Africa where they are mined. It's number 1. Number 2, the single point, really pretty, very sparkly, has some of the iron marking staining on there, definitely flat on the bottom, so it just sits perfect, but really great, light purple, lilac, spirit quartz. We got this awesome piece. Also sits really well, nice and flat. Has the 3 little points and then the big one right there and then one growing in right here. Really cool. It's really pretty. Very nice. Spirit quartz. Also has the iron staining on there. And we got this one. It's pretty big. Also has some iron markings and staining. Looks similar to like citrine, but it's not the same. This is definitely amethyst. Also can sit on its own. Has a nice point there. But a really great piece. Great for any room. Has wonderful energy. And this awesome one that has like some nuggets all hidden in there. Really pretty as well. Also sits on its own. And then all along here some nice crystals. They're also sparkly. They're so pretty. A really unique crystal formation, the way the quartz or amethyst, how it just forms this way in this region of South Africa, nowhere else. It's so interesting. And the last one, which also, as you can see, sits perfect, and it has 4 points sticking up over here. Really great cluster for any sacred space, your altar, for spells, rituals, all kinds of things, home decor, gift, but really great pieces. So I'll have everything listed below. You can find them. These are definitely on my website, Mineral Goddess Crystals. They'll soon be on Etsy, and I'll have all the links down below in the description box. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and thanks for watching.